Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious, flavorful pot of green beans without using any pork. I'm using 24 ounces of fresh green beans. This will be enough for 6 servings. So if you're making this for a large crowd, you may need to double, triple, or even quadruple this recipe. To prep, you only need to give them a really good rinse. You may trim the ends if you prefer or break them in half. I am using smoked turkey. This is a great alternative for those of you who don't eat pork. To prep the meat, you simply need to pick off any feathers if you see them. Give the meat a quick rinse under running water if you like. But, if you're concerned that the meat will lose flavor by rinsing it, then just don't rinse it. Carefully cut a few slits into the meat. This is going to help the flavors to release faster as we cook it. In a large pot on medium-high heat, add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Then add half of a sliced onion and sprinkle a little salt on them and cook for 1 minute. Add half of a cup of diced mushrooms. Yes. This is going to add some good umami flavor to your food, okay? So trust me on this. Then add 6 minced garlic cloves and let it cook for 30 to 45 seconds before you even touch it, okay? Just drop it in, leave it alone. That garlic is going to become so nice and fragrant. Add your chicken broth. I started out with 2 cups and then I added 2 more to equal 4 cups. Add the smoked turkey, reduce your heat to medium-low, cover your pot, and we're gonna let this simmer. Flip your meat every 20 to 30 minutes, and we wanna make sure that we're getting the maximum amount of flavor into the broth. So I let this cook for an hour and a half, and as you can see, the meat has begun to pull away from the bone. You need to remove the turkey from the pot, taste your broth, and season with garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and crushed red pepper flakes if you like a little, little heat, little kick. But if you don't, you can leave that ingredient out. Also, you may add a pinch of salt. Now add the green beans to the pot along with a teaspoon of unsalted butter. Cover and simmer on medium-low. Now will be a great time to shred up your meat. So now let's check on the green beans. It's been about 10 minutes. Now will be a great time to add the meat to the pot. You can also add the bone in there and just let that finish simmering as well. After your green beans are tender, you can remove the bone and you can garnish with a little parsley. And also you want to taste your green beans and you can add a little more salt if needed. These green beans were so delicious. They were just as good as my recipe with pork. Okay, but you have to try it for yourself. If you enjoyed this video and if it was helpful for you, please do me a really big favor and click the like button and share this video. As always, I thank you so much for your support